Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, my name is Luka. I'm a content creator that's based in Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, today I'm at the Airtel store there. If you can see over there, I want to get an Airtel line and I want to register it. I have Glow and I use MTN, but guys, I don't know, Glow are seriously doing me something. Like, how can I subscribe and I'll still not have network? Like, who does that? And MTN, they are just zapping my data. Like, it's getting too much. So I just have to change my mind, and I decided to come here today to see if I can get an Airtel line. So if you think this is what you'll be interested to watch, just basically how I will register my line and get it in an Airtel shop. So just sit back, relax and enjoy. When I got into the compound, I was asked to write down my name, which I did, and I was given a paper that will be my number. So I was instructed to go to a waiting room, where I entered and I saw that there were more other people that were waiting to get attended to. So I had to sit down and wait for my turn. After a while, the security man came and handed this form over to us and asked us to fill it. Now it's finally our turn to go in. He was calling us in batches of 10. So I'm going inside right now, and I was surprised that there was still queue inside and I had to wait an extra 30 minutes or so to be attended to. Getting inside, I found out that they were running a MiFi promo, which is to get it and you have extra 5 gigs. So I decided to go for that. This is just basically the registration process going on. I did the capturing, fingerprints, my NIN and the likes. I basically did everything. After the registration, he coupled it together, put the SIM, the battery, then he went to the system and did something. I think he connected it. Then I was instructed not to on it or not to start using the device till like about 2 hours, which was okay for me because I was still stepping out. I was also shown a pin that I would connect to my phone for the device to work. So guys, I was able to get the Wi-Fi. I decided to get the Wi-Fi instead of the SIM cards because it's preferable to connect different kind of devices on it at the same time. So I just decided to let me go for it. So this is it, guys. Okay, here's my review. When I got home, I tried putting it on and I noticed that it was just like the battery sign, Wi-Fi network and all that. It was just stagnant. They were not showing like the actual percentage of, for example, the actual percentage of the battery was not showing. So it was just blank on the screen. They would just bring out lights, but they were not giving me any useful information. So I had to search online and I downloaded an app, any router app. So I linked the device to my app, to that app, and through the app I could get the real actual percentage of the battery. I could get the amount of data I consumed. For instance, now this my old MiFi that I was using. When I put it on, you see that all the information comes up, the name of the product, the number of connected devices, the battery actual percentage, the data that I've consumed for that month. Everything will display on the screen. I don't need to connect to any app to use it, but this Airtel own, you have to use the app to use it. If not, you won't be able to get any information. That's just what I find kind of absurd about the MiFi. Anything other than that, I don't think there's any other problem with it. It's good and fine, it works well. That's just the only problem I noticed. It also comes with a USB cord. You can use it in charging the MiFi. It has a port where you plug it And also it comes with a manual. Please try and read the manual so that you know how to operate the device. So guys, I just want to withdraw some money now. I'm about to go and see my brother. I want to get his reaction. I didn't tell him that I'm coming to his house, but I'm going to his house right now. So I'll just withdraw the money. I got the MiFi for about 5,000 naira and extra 200 naira charge paid for the registration. Yes, that's how much I got the Wi-Fi. I'm on my way now. Who is familiar with this road? Who can guess what road is this? Comment down below if you know the road. Please guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, and also subscribe please. Subscription is free. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when
So guys, we are here. Okay, I'm going in quietly. I'll knock at his door quietly. I don't want him to know that I'm here.
What is that? Yeah, I'm coming. Say everything. What thousand naira?
Hey, see, bro. We caught him. Hey, come on. See face. Introduce yourself, Joe. Who are you?
Okay.
Eh?
I'm the big bro.
Eh?
I'm the big bro of this fine, sweet, beautiful, elegant queen.
Eh?
Chike's baby.
Eh?
Chike's queen.
Okay.
Joke's queen.
It's alright. Bye. Take care.